Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to view private accounts on Instagram. Now, as you know, there's a lot of applications out there that will tell you that you can view Instagram private accounts for absolutely free. You just need to type in a keyword, right, a username, and you will be able to see the full Instagram account. Well, that's just not true, right? So what I would suggest to you is, if you want to go and if you want to see, for example, this account, right, it's locked, right? I can't see the account, is private. So what I have to do is I have to follow it. So what I would do, if I were you, I would follow this account that you want to see and the pictures you want to see from them from other account, right? Create a dummy account, create another account where it's not your username, it's not your profile picture or anything, and then just click follow, right? And that way that person won't know that you're following them, and you will be able to view private accounts on Instagram that way. So you can always create another account for yourself and view all the private accounts from that account. That is pretty much the best way, because trust me, not a single other application works if you want to go and view private accounts without following them. You have to follow them. That's the policy from Instagram, and yeah, you have to respect that policy. So yeah, this is pretty much the answer. I know it's not probably what you're thinking of, and it's not probably what you wanted to hear, but this is the answer. This is how to view private accounts on Instagram in 2022. Now, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to answer all of your questions. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video.